Okongwu dibia. Okongwu dibia. Onye ọrịa infection na ha akpagbu. Get your ass in here. Okongwu dibia. Onye a na-akpọ n'ike. Onye ya na Jpac gara Ghana. Ga collect ya woto n'otule. Come on, get in here, sister. Come on, be here, sister. Get your ass in here, sister. Emma, you, Ebonila's son, Jpac, and Governor Onyoshi, all of you that are always crying, Ogechi, your page is dead. Ogechi, your page is not very urgent. You guys will grow the page. I want to get meme. I want to get revive the dead page. I don't know why you guys keep crying. You useless miri will make this page to be activated. Whether it will 200 person, 300 watch you, whether me 400. I don't. It's none of my business. Okongwu dibia. Awu mwoki begina granike. Merije para Akwa mugena kayana da bokro. Guys, please. I'm not some of you gauge that voice note. Onye ze Jesus we potare because any dream that voice note. You want to go? Kunu jiga dig this video out. You want to go? Look at a useless man. When they go capital no what they may bore you buga do you get kidnap you. You later planned and kidnap your brother. You want to go? That plan I kidnap one nigga okay. Who is the people calling me now? Like a basic picture. Hello? Hello?
Igbo Gist.
Jeremiah block on that because hold on. Where am time to waste for Ndala? I'm not Abba. I don't have time. Hello? Well, I did how far? And when I But that was all the boy should remain now. Huh? Hello, sorry, no. Onye kem kpọrọ Obere ịma m njakịrị. Ime otu m ji achị ikpu nne gị ikpu ha bezi ha chịbụ ikpu Ogechi. So anọrọ m na ọwụ ya wazi achị mba oge na your brother. I say okay na you. I for opinion again. So make una no vex. Make una call this apa bia okongwute DC. Una ogomo na ya na ma like ya. Onye ala agakwala YouTube. Je follow okongwudibia. Okongwudibia wo onye oshi. Make una no go. Who anything no more ga call about me. And the Congo na report kwa na YouTube ka na nwa. You know teach a build ga yo jokwa. And Facebook e wedo yem ana ma atari pa yi and the YouTube wa atari egi ke ga gala. Inwa kwa nwa buru my video. Jokwa people ana ma atakwa YouTube are the worst. Are the worst. So you know what I got my 1, 2, 3 followers. You man only take time to build followers on YouTube. Joke out to very well. I got my 30 peggy. Oh, I'm telling you, got put a betty and I come me berry. So I come keep it on Facebook. I come on again. Why? Joke people. I got bad na YouTube. I got bad. Don't ever try me on that side. No. Okay, good dibia. Now listen to me. Before you was born, okay, channel on Facebook. But Adam happy now. Gio, Ebony lost son, ex-convict, wear belly face, and all of you, I want to get help nje build this my page. This my dead 1 million point something page. I want to get help No na go help me because so him saga no go end. You want to go? Biokongudibia come here. You know, I wanted to talk about him in Ghana. Thank you that a lot of people brought it out. So a lot of people call me, okay, waja bikonu. Ma can waja ma. I will not add waja again. Because mamu Ogechi bikonu. And they didn't watch me here, I wouldn't them get disrespect. Now waja have omitted you. Now Okongudibia and the Jpac come here. Kehu gara Ghana game ezobi pụtara kwuo na ogintu Jpac na ejigodim record ke ejigodim apagodim all the information Jpac na aka Jpac amagodi I don't know what Jpac o feel that angu a new person oji were secret nte niile amam club nde all these big man you listed in a Ghana gay club Ghana okay. Do I know them? All these rich men on Facebook na gadane in a point onye nka na meet in a club. I go begin the call but come zurugodi can I come respect go the people that called me. Argue one MC. Argue one hamage. So Okongwutibia ina gidana nwoke n'ike according to ndema that na anagodi because I didn't even put you on this list oh nwanne gi nwoke igaga plan ya gị na Jpac aga kidnap oya aga kidnap onye eze Jesus igaga plan you su de kage an idiot de kage I chọrọ isu English ga draw nwa primary school ya correct ya gị iti di kage woshi de kage prala audio amam even audio brinajo chaka de kebuma ekwa muga na da boko a very hopeless man icheneka woman. Do you think you are a kid? Icheneka woman. Ndebe anya niile ibu na-egwu wayo na scam ha orube mgbe eji lock gị up. It's not about time I get lock gị up. Look at how stupid come and listen to yourself. Amanamshi Jpac Jiriamu scatter inside that. Oh, no wonder you're coming to defend him. No wonder the truth. Oh, because Gadi Gere that one. One name can go kidnap onye eze Jesus. Gadi Gere that one. Up on a phone, but all these new followers are an warrior. All these women in Abina, but they don't know see warrior that you can never cure. That's a quack like this. They don't know. Haman or 1 and 1 kine dinner. Oh, don't worry, Okongwudibia. Saga mona give everlasting. You know, say I say I know they get reaction. Now you go give me reaction. So now so. Now so thank you. Thank you all for even thank you for joining at the saga. Thank you for coming in. So una go help me. You know. So wait. Guys, no ebe oke mbudibia ejiri amu kpowa ya otula ya na Jpac. I ga akori ihe ahụ mere na that room that day. Osun na again useless set of people. Idiot ewu atoro onye akpọhụ gị ga-agbapụta. I did not mention your name. Nothing concern you na this saga. I did not mention your name. In a body skibo, ka skibo bịa to ash or bịa join unu bịa to ash. Ka ihe jawara skibo wo. Na skibo amara onye Jpac onu ya na agbaka diarrhea. Na skibo amara onye Jpac onu ya na agbaka diarrhea. So you want skibo to dab into una mess? It took a Stibo better or Stibo amaro onye Jpac. I don't even know why you're attacking the boy. You want to go? And what one of you guys equal because he in a compama information. Even in Makegi, he made a bit of a common story kogi. A bit of a common story kogi. You want to go? He made a Jpac and Agana. A bit of him dish me out. If he believe will not get you, I'm making it. Don't worry when I will start the liquor. Kam mana zie mano mo there at present mo kwano kam shire mana akwa na mato ashe akwa don't worry ashe godogeru anye bo ribe ya una no go live una o like agwara m wagara keti gi shima na ya mana ya ho ba tiga yime for the because I never mentioned any of you. I never mentioned any of you miscreants. I never mentioned you. I was only targeting onye mu na enwere beef. You want to go? Onye mu na enwere beef. Onye mu get susu ye nege 500,000. Get bukuru pota. I never mentioned you. I did not mention your name. I did not call you. Hold on, let me block this idiot. Lie. Mele on gula ho mana na so ya. Botilo. Shinga pa chom ke na commenting the same rubbish all the time. You want to go? Osho, who is not tired of saga? Are you not tired of watching? Can't you exit? Get the fuck out of here. Are you not tired of watching? You stupid old fool. Look at you again around. You already watch amo. At my free time after my off day. Girl susunu. You get to talk him one again or woman gigeri. Girl susunu be na watch him. Are you not tired? You won't yara. Ija juma man. Why would I be get tired? Tell me the reason why I should get tired. When I will my free time, when I had a man again, I my mind again. Are you not? Susunu ki shinga for now. Bia greno okombuti bia o sunran eba na anaga ya no tula ana ejila amu igarento le kwa hife ko bara pekere ori passe faction obegi get prior to onye mpo tula gi geji po nko ebe we la hu na ama igo tule. Come and listen o sunran na wetere Ogechi onu. Well, I believe I'm go social media. So in my social media I'm a whole galanya. So can you at the same level? You want to go? No sunran. Idiot amadi be shemepe Facebook when I started Facebook. Ne we three more no. Usun when I even know left and right. Ne we three happen. Gene. When be ja ilu an chodo ga babata m n'obi. You want to go? Ine we ton ebem de ku oku you. You know that followers you get me. That reaction you go give me. Una never see anything. Una never see anything. That thing where I no get. You, ex-convicts, I'm not so here goes unu na bako. Because the same language call of you now so. When I put a page. The same also all these useless men. A body lost son, ex-convicts, wear belly face, and the obifection namu yana da bokoro okongu dibia o wan hage obifection namu yana da bokoro ojori obrinajo chabi bibu onwe ya aboni carbon namu so you useless hopeless men unu gada ya Ogechi kunu na discuss because the same language call of you now so page nobody watch it he make a video how many people so it's all about and all you know now I go drag like Okongbu ama akpa YouTube go. Jokwa je ju ajuju. Aga ma akpa YouTube ki. Anako me pere. Ima ke YouTube ji kama YouTube is very hard to build. Aga made. I like in YouTube they know the waste time. Ma aga ma tasu di jokwa je ju German first lady. Gajo keza haya gajo mortuary bam na gina ana ma erikwa eri anwakola anwashi jeri post Ogechi de mewe rukwa ge the end of you because ahuni ni tara self gain common 500 or 1000 I go destroy you. No try me. You know about Facebook abia na ge dowa ya here nebe nga kai ga hushia nga kai ga hushia. Don't try me that side. I'm bad. According to my YouTube, I know they use them. Despite that is monetized, I know I'm not gonna eat you again. Some girls, Imana, but I'm a teaching lesson. I'm the wrong person to mess with. The budget you I wanna Facebook, I wanna YouTube computer. Go and find out. The manager na manage susu. Tiga any of my picture or my video may wookie. I will call. In fact, I'm a next struggle. You are struggling to live. What him Dibiaka Begagabaya, Dibiaka Kaba, Mande Dibiana Ibe, get you to Laga collector, Chineka Pugono. You old foolish thing that they put on a business. Amado Haga, Mabugi, Gam, Ripper. What I go? Biale, him and Agana, Chineka Bukuno, no foolish set of things.
Akwa can borrow it. Maloko na your secret. Online.
See man Jpac. He nam ne kuwe shokwa about Jpac. Say when a secret EG about Jpac and they don't want to come and reveal the secret. So Okongbu, there is something you know, but because of you you are not man enough to man up. Because he will sue, you are not man enough to man up. War. Because Ogechi is very outspoken. You are manless. What I go? If you are man enough, you guys share with a secret Egypt. But say it, let the people hear. But you cannot speak. You get walk weapon on a meeting. On a useless content creating of the East. Useless men that get at one place and be talking rubbish. Right? Genting, people genting. Osu, dead meat.
If I know paragraph, shaking. Akwa can borrow it. Maloko na your secret. People talk online now. What's the see like and get ala.
Okay.
Jpac, Maloko. Chataku ife jana room. Jpac, ako na to walk. I'm not going to be fed to push room. Ako na fafu.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Send the money for the money in the
mafia. Facebook gbakwala maka ebe na nchikwa Jpac won maka nsupuo waja amakwa ife je between us kanwazia gia because waja we ti daba aru na gene yakwo waja ihe na ekwu onye na copy 24 hours mo na ya nore na copy
okay
say na waja to enu wine hapu onye Igbo ya anu me nke wana waja ji.
So that means everything that I'm saying is nothing but the truth. Akono na ahụ ya. Akwesioku na ha apụta. So Okongbu osumura. So you knew that Jpac will yabe akoto somebody. So you knew ke we esioku amado ha na agbara he na eku oga kubuki. So you are only acting under influence of 500,000 naira enyeregi. So the truth is coming out. So the truth is finally, oh, may God bless all of you that have ever believed in me from day one. Don't worry. I will start letting people know that the same Jpac she ma ihe when they go keneku no we joku. Ni Borio Brina George chant is the same Jpac. Leave yourself. No one gonna opera. The same fucked up Jpac in our Ogechi is lying. The same idiot one. So so you are aware, and everything I said, you want to come and do I know that area is it not the same idiot to Bebam? She ain't Onyeze could not question your poor. But Onyeze who test was I there with you now? I'm anything about you. And I've been such a terrible idiot to the Burugebuna. Eh? Was I there? I'm no test result, okay? I'm a Mihuna Bogaga. So how did I fucking know that you pour your Brina Jochan? Chineke mwakwago okay very defend him and his no there. Is he not the change Jpac the bana kohenine? Live yourself in a biego that you borrow the money, Nick and a biego, another who ye. Now the worst thing in them all these guys on our target, every night they got body one, you know him and they not use condom. And I'm there. I'm kunushi, I don't know. And Bob up on the Kotaram, let's go get him can I honey. Okay, and can I honey. I know Palamum. Jpac will pick up a call. Okay, man, I'm not one of them more in an honor. In the Koran can I honey. Bagrang and Oga, and I can't get a honey. Eh? Shall give me. What happened? Upper Akuko Akukebito. More Koromuna from what they were Baliabaka. Amam ne Wabaliabaka. Muna go gakala before. Muna go on no corner. How did I know that they were Baliabaka? Iputra na so suki muran. And I be defend what you know nothing about. Amam ne Wabaliab. Amam na. Get what I nika. Ga hapunka. And that's it. How she go in about na dibia no woman show in area. Na show ni no na yo. When ho shower mo onye wo. No nti mega gaburo obi na jocha. Na nka onye se plegade no dey half. Ni buori obi na jocha. No hola no we shoku na dia we. Was I there? Amami beji bito hina tabugi ni uku. Was I there? Chide amado hamabu kwegi. Oria hipu bukwegi. And I be defending him and his no there. Is it not the same way? Oji buru e waja. Now bagashili ni huko jibia na koromo. So him and this idiot who ngana go along papa every minute papa he get ajuya ya na korobishi na no. So you are aware of it. Now waja kama galoni wo ya galonya. Was I there? Was I then he inside that room get a Jpac and a church because all of you know that he now getting a kueshoku just because I will get you. Leni tio to ne tramo in your person primary school ne with tremono. Leni tio to na bari bu infection scatter everywhere. Lena no hane sunyamuna all dikan hari ene 100,000 get ya. The same Jpac gram that ya na ndo ne kueshoku. Ne po wula apo banage 100,000 e pola wanti na gina wanya na ha de ashawoni ne no all parts and him na ha. Tonda babu kweki iberi wetere Ogechi ono. Ano menga who no on live a useless lifestyle. Ano menga who gonna lose. Ya wuru make an HIV medication no gamam. I'm doing gahu. Ija be sure get I'm making up story. Chinet abado hamabu kwegi. That anybody defend the burugebu na asu. Look at an idiot everybody defend it. Ya to no ga okay nke Akwa. Or because that defend you when not to shebe no. Or kwa ogbara ko ihe ogbara gi. Ndala, bunch of hypocritical bastard that knew that all of them are lying to themselves because all she get you know in a fuse you go give it to me. That reaction you go give it to me because my followers that followed that have been following me for long that iji record down onye say Jesus onye say Jesus omakacho me pu something say onye say Jesus because I know who here. And I'm like a mother now then to mana boy and because Jesus then sometimes he do call me so I will not discuss anything until the dog apata. But if I call a Jpac so please if across that voice only say Jesus play this idiot This idiot who bore ya na tabuya, this hopeless thing and abo okumbwa a unra. Get with Teremia. Can get a mepesho wanya, mepesho wine in a book. Give me that's a shower or a birigoria. Jegoria again. Go and cure your disease. Mona giga baka the wall. Now followers go give me you like say no gets. I don't get it. Now you not gonna give me you. As you know say the thing they play now. Now so the thing they. So ono machante we joku. All of you knew that you get you we joku, but just because I won, you guys want to suppress me, right? Just because if I won, all of you want to come out. No, okay, to subdue me. Come on, la cheji. Come on, Lela. Cheji muno no kurunaka. Come on, Lela. Come on, everybody will go down. Come on, everything will go down. I will leak everything. Come on, Lela cheji. But ya no mo. Muno me chi here na this blue app, eh? Una mata ta will make different species. Everybody will go down. In fact, all this una rubbish endorsement. People are telling you this Facebook they will come. Brenum naka. Let us continue on ya. Muno make chi here na this blue app, eh? Everywhere will be burning like fire. Ntala. So all these hopeless men, una ga dala maki him because unu manam na ekwesioku. Unu manam na ekwesioku. In Apute defend Jpac as you have never experienced Jpac. To Ogechi him na ekwo wa she. In Apute na lo are ki ihe ga anwuta. Going, you are just talking out of the flesh of 500,000 enyeregi. Ambato hamabu kwegi. Who says, Osho, you thought, you too taller. To talk campaign you here in a person here. Oh yeah, Otila. Uno chori gadazi to shut me. Come on, you la chiegi. Mono no pochampi. Mono no pochampi. Uno hona trouble next time. Una dodge. Because I never mentioned your freaky useless name. I never mentioned your hopeless Oreo Brinajo child's life. Okay? I never mentioned you. Abaliabaka. Ashawoni ne makola amuge. Ashawoni ne makola amuge. I never list. So now put that in a defending that while you are aware of it, while you have experienced this demon before, and they want to come and challenge because send a gay go wedding. Let us see. Facebook a lot of names will be listed. Everybody will go to town. So you have experienced the same thing in Potraneku. You have finally confirmed it. Now who do you want to cover? Because if you go under influence of 500,000, Breno Maka, come on la chiegi. On your shije kidnap one name okay. And I be kunye. Who brought you na this saga? Did I mention your name? Did I call you? Ndala. That any choker. You guys make with the listen.
Facebook gbakwala maka ebe na nchikwa Jpac won maka nsukwu. Waja amakwa ife je between us. Ka ngwazi agia because waja we ki daba aru na gene yakwo. Waja ihe na ekwu onye na copy 24 hours mo na ya nore na copy. Say na waja cho no wine. Hapu onye Igbo ya anu. Menke wano, waja jikwa menke wano, waja jikwa menka. Awa bobu ogidia. Nijuo shonu Jpac.
God have mercy.
So it aware.
Defending.
So it aware.
If I you paragraph pugu shake.
So it aware.
Can bore it. Maloko na your secret. E putakwa online na wasisi like anketa ala. Jpac maloko Chetapu ife je na room. Jpac ko wana to bu.
Okay.
Ama ko no ife je push room o.
Okay.
Okuno na fafe.
Okay.
Aba yin na okara je mu.
So be there at about.
Akwa ike de yo mu. Aka ko di ike. Na te na che mu. Aka ko di ike.
Yes, obi egbola mo biko.
Ano na wa si dia pass. Na wa ma pampas e nyara. Send the money to the go ki we na go ta money na tele. Akwa di go to ike.
Okuno na afia.
Aka mo ni na na obere ko ko de go na ose ka mo.
Okay.
Amu be so bi ko ni je.
Facebook gbakwala m aka ebe na njikwa Jpac won maka nsupuo waja amakwa ife je between us.
You don't even have the balls to open mouth. One day Madonna Jpac shiki jahike koragi. You can't even have the audacity to open mouth and talk. You see? But Ogechi wanted the guts. Wanted the guts to come and tell the world and you all and you want to gang up. As again maga wara munu ni Nigeria keriri. As again can najo. As you want to shut me up. I say Ogechi that I'm so you knew. You hungry buffoon. You hungry moron in a big rubbish. Eh? Tell the people here in that secret room. That okay, Nagaka, give him a dear. Oh, so there are truth. There is truth. That's what I'm saying. So with the atom of truth in what Ogechi has been saying. I got married. I shouldn't get bomb too much. So excuse me. So una think say una go fit intimidate me again. I don't even understand. Motive unu say una go shut me up or what? Oku ge unu na this blue app. Oku fire. Oga di over. Go and release Onyeze Jesus. Go and release Onyeze Jesus. Nobody is bringing out money. Go and release Onyeze Jesus. Eban who get and those who get and Jpac planning. I want to need a plan. Go back there and release that young man. You are aware of what happened. Emma Akaji that man, go and release it. Demons everywhere. Diabolically evil. In a big rubbish. Oh, so this is intimidation. Now me and you. Now me and you. It never there was in our water the game. So, in an experience here, you are even aware that all this guy again I don't know my kotoge. Akwa waja when you invite na Ghana. Akwa we shibo ya. Akwa we shibo ya. See lokwa on a reading and waja still na koto ya. Man akwa exactly what happened. Ndo me shono. Ndo gwaramu people say Njaka And Jpac pick up call and tell me. So it's beginning to make sense now. So it has beginning to make sense now. And you idiot, so you are aware. So he go that aware that una boss tule. Yana came in that secret room. That secret room that you refuse. That secret thing in that room. That thing in Oji Kobanaga to waja. Cover everybody. Oh, you never knew that. Facebook will never lie. Internet never lie. You don't know? The truth must surely come out. And it does not matter how many people are ganging up. All of them are content creators. Eh? Ex-convict, go for no criminal, go for no Yoshi. Jpac, Unyoshi, Bonike. Okon Gutibia, infection, our palm, or Bonike. Bleaching cream, a body lost son. Ashimunu, Wakra, with a piece, and a boom wine. Potawano, we're gonna come out to Ndala. Bunch of useless men. Una be don't be una mahishia no there. Amado hamunune na wupanu nine. Yakopoma kwanu page akopoma aka. Iberi kuhema. So you are aware of what happened. Iberi defend you.
Awa ko mi fe je push you mo. Okono na fa afu.
Dema no tio.
Aba yin o kara je mu. Akwa ike de you ogo mu. Aga akpori gi ike.
Idiot.
Akwa na je go. Aga akpori gi ike.
Okay. So information a ruo dila. Eze opinion tin na wo pampas. Ya de kwaka. Chineke God. Oh my God. Okwa the same person ogwara no bi ori obiri na ajo cha o. Okwa the same idiot. If you listen to Ogechi, if you listen to Ogechi, Usu in 500,000 and angaki hebi. The good ibegi, you were trying ibegi if unu jemere dem mother or commercial. Because of all the God the konye were la jide mefe. Go and look at yourself from a random. Are you still living? Look at all your national mother one. In game on are you in a fake breezy? Ya wini no na Chicago na wani win this city. Otu breezy kwegi ye burugi ga biga na moto kubuogi. Dogo de ki na fake opara. Are you still living? Ikadento. On ashin de na fake ha na beka ha. Abara nini ahe na agoro. In fact every day ha na mego opara. Every day, Hannah make up and take a sham. What don't I to take down? It got one side in a she. Oh, soon. And I bear with Tremon while all of you mad that everything that Ogechi is saying is nothing but the truth. I will start listening. There are many, remember on edge many, but you guys did not believe me. Who is requesting to join? Oh, no, Nina Gada because so okay. Anya emego meeting ndị content creators niile mgbe m pụtara gwa unu na ha mere meeting unu chena m tụgashi mgbe m pụtara gwa unu na ha mere meeting all of them will gang up against Ogechi nna arịkpa m eva radio arịkpa m ready woto every morning ma drop one name aga m akpụgide ntala bịa mechie nụ m ọnụ so I cannot speak the truth. Come and shut me up. So that I will never do that. I can make a look at the with Remon before more dig yourself. Or yet that one rugged investor go and ask question in a with Remon. Like are you okay? Well, in a coiria code, but I get Nikia. It doesn't matter on coiria. I get Jim Coiria who rocket do one. I get Jim Coiria who rocket do one. Idiot. Now, just one thing I asked for that I will pay Jpac any amount or not. Now, I got me off number one evidence. And another challenge in the you come to Igalerani or STD test. Igelelani syphilis, Igelelani hepatitis B, hepatitis C, Igelelani gonorrhea, Igelelani HIV, Igeme all these STD tests. Before I wash, you have to go and take my gonorrhea because all STDs you have to go and test. That's another challenge I'm giving you. He gave me all these tests. I will also provide my doctor. No problem. When I'm doctor in Nigeria, you will go there and run this test. You want to go? He gave me. I may provide the doctor. You need to provide all these STDs they need. With the Ogechi, I'm making up stories or I'm lying. How about that? Very, very simple. Get Jpac we cashier. Get you all the STDs here. Bring it on. You have to get tested. Ndamusu, useless set of undelari. Bunch of condemned properties. They will throw Ogechi on. You have to run it. Okay, no problem. We are all together in the game. We are all. Are we in the game? Are we in the game? Because I'm at the good ready for anything. No problem. But who brought you in this? Was your name was Jpac? Do I talk to you? Have we have any conversation before? That was the only thing I asked for. And that is the only thing I'm still asking for. I get that Nash test. And I get all STD happen. Chineka Buogono. And I be with Remon.
Send the money for you whether you got the money in the I won't laugh you. Achọrọ m uru na ụmụ anya ọbụrụ nwoke fọpụ ga-ebido merezie ka mma. Ọbụbụ eze obi tụrụ Chineke.
Facebook gbakwala m aka ebe na njikwa JPAC wọnị maka nsukwuo waja amakwa ife je between us ka m gwazie gị ya because waja nwere ike idebe arụ na gị na ya kwụ waja ihe na-ekwu okwu onye na-akọpị 24 hours mụ na ya nọrọ na-akọpị ya sị na waja chọrọ ịnụ nwaanyị hapụ onye Igbo ọ ya anụ mee nke nwanụ waja jikwa mee nke nwanụ waja jikwa mee nke ọgbọgbuo gị di ya rijuo ọrụ JPAC.
Okay.
God have mercy
Okay.
upon JPAC.
Okay.
Ekwekwana ka m pụọ gị ike ọrụkwa na Nigeria secret pụtakwa online na-agba osisi leka.
Ịhụ na out of hate unu ga-ahụcha eziokwu. All of you, 95% of all of you know that Ogechi, I'm saying the truth. But just because of you hate Ogechi, you don't want to accept the truth. 95% of that everything I'm listing out of JPAC eziokwu. But to any them turn on my truth to be lie, okay, to answer the good person, which I will not. Okay. Aya, Otilo, Shingafo. When you know here, Mega. Get out of here. Yeah, when they hear not here, Mega, first and foremost. Where is that your comment? My block, okay? It's not bounding you, so you can come back. Now I'll block your destiny. Okay, but that's your useless comment. Where is that idiot? Why am I keep miss? Okay, idiot. Oh yeah, get the fuck out of here. That is it. What? You want to go? All of you, from A to Z, you know, Mother Ogechi is saying nothing but the truth. Mother Ogechi is saying nothing but the truth. But just because she's from Ogechi, and none of you is paying attention with it. But I am not stopping. No, I'm gonna make a way joke. Am I any Njiribaton Ketina? Who when some people or money? Because today the call may receive today. I'm 100. Let me not exaggerate. Yes, people are calling Ogezulu, but this matter. If you back and she names family dia ga scatter you know concern una go ho make una go hold JPAC aya wa gbara make una go hold am na him tell me na koyi. On that note, I'll see you guys later.